Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take this to this in just about 2 hours. Stick around, find out. Alright guys, so this area of my yard, as you can see here, has been pretty well neglected. We just didn't really know what to do with it. It's this kind of area. So what I'm going to do today is kind of clean it up. Get a lot of this junk out of here, get all the weeds out of here, and get it back down to kind of fresh level dirt. And we're going to do that with some new equipment today. So let's go break it out, put it together, and get it going. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the Bilt Hard electric tiller. We're gonna go ahead and put this together, get out in the backyard, get all cleaned up. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at what we're working with. Alright guys, so initial unboxing, it's not too crazy. I actually thought it was gonna be a little bit more pieces, but overall it's gonna be pretty easy. So let's pull it all out, get together. Alright, here's our directions. Here's the directions here. Looks really pretty easy. Just handlebars on and you're good to go. Like that, like simple, like easy. Yeah, some wheels, handlebars. Man, this thing is simple to put together. All right, let's get to this. All right, it's gonna be pretty easy. So, let me go ahead and flip this up that way. Set her up right. So start off with first is these handlebars. These around here. Alright, so we're gonna take this one here, drop it in the middle. Take our first. Take our first screw there, get it through. Oh man, I don't know if that could be any easier. There. Alright, then next up should be the main handlebars here. Should be the same concept, just sliding this right through, getting the holes lined up, and tightening it up. Okay, now the last screw goes in here. There we go. Last screw in there. And last part now is just getting the wheels on. So it should be really simple, really easy. Alright guys, and then for the wheels, all you do is pull little pins out here. Straighten it, pull the pin out, put your wheel on, and then, oh, this one already had the little hubcap on. We gotta take that off first. Put your wheel on, come back in, tighten it, and drop your hubcap back on. Little hubcaps. There we go. Get the click back in. Good to go. Alright, do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so first initial thoughts looking at this thing. It looks good. I like it. It's, I like the blue. A lot of my stuff is blue, so I like that. The blades are nice and strong, seems like, so we're gonna give this a shot. I like the look of it. I know it is a plug-in. Maybe that's a drawback. I was thinking maybe battery would be cool, but I also realized that using something like this is gonna drain a battery really quickly. So I think a plug-in is probably the best option to get, you know, a whole project done. Battery is gonna be the best option here, aside from doing gas. It is very lightweight though. I mean, this is light, so we're gonna see how that kind of maybe affects some of this. I like how the wheels kind of go up and down. So when you're actually doing the job, you just pop those up and you're done. Pull this pin, pop them right down. Good to go. So really do like it. We're gonna go ahead. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna cut down some of the taller grass in the back there, just with my rotary scissors, some of the taller grass and weeds. We're gonna cut that down first, get it cleaned up, and then kind of dig up the ground and see how it looks. Get it all nice and level, get it nice and clean. That's kind of the goal of today, is just to get it all cleaned up. And then what I'll do afterwards is I'll just spray down, you know, nice pre-emergent, making sure nothing kind of comes up and it stays kind of weed free for the remainder of the season. So let's go ahead and get this in the backyard, get cleaned up, and get this thing rocking. All right, guys? All right, so cut all this down. This has all already been sprayed with weed killer too, so I'm not too worried about anything coming back, but we might obviously clean it up. So we'll do, I got rid of the rocks over here. There's some pile of rocks, clean that up. There's a lot of rock all up in here, so what we're gonna do, till it all, clean it all up, get it looking nice and fresh, and see how well this, you know, this tiller works. I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's gonna work really well. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna get you guys set up, get a nice little angle going, and see how well this thing works. So let's go ahead and pull it on out. Okay, so it should be super easy to turn on. Safety switch there. There you go. Away she goes. So that's super easy to turn on, super easy to control. I can't obviously do with one hand everything I need to do. So put you guys down. We're gonna go ahead, do this whole area, see how long it takes, and get it all nice and clean. It's gonna look totally different by the end of this. So let's get to it. So we're gonna go ahead and obviously lift the wheels up too. Boom. Nice and easy to use. Here we go. Woo, look at this thing kicked out though. Look at it kicked out. That's all the solid piece of cement. Look at that though. My God. So it's got some power. It kicked this out. All cement. Whew. Thing kicks. Kicks hard. Arms a little. Woo. Not bad though. Really, well, what, maybe half done here. It has done a really good job. You can see there's a lot of rock in here, so it's gonna take some time to clean this up. We have to rake through all this and really kind of clean it up a little bit. But man, this thing works. This isn't like the most, you know, damp soil either. Obviously, I think if it was wet, this would work a lot better. It's a little bouncy, but that's because the soil is hard. All right, ground's hard, so it's gonna bounce a little bit. But overall, really good. I really like it. We're gonna finish this up, get everything tilled, and go ahead and rake it all up and get it cleaned. Let's keep going. There you go, not bad. Under 15 minutes. This whole area is done. We're gonna clean it up though, because it's definitely still messy. A lot of rock in here, so I'm gonna rake it up. But review this thing. Yeah, this kicks. It works. You don't have to worry about gas. The wire, if you plan and strategically move, the cord's never gonna get in your way. So it doesn't bother me at all. And it's got plenty of power to kick through. I mean, it pulled out a whole block of cement. I mean, it pulled this bad boy out. Suckers. Obsidian? It looks like black glass. Might be. I don't know. I don't know rocks. It's not my thing, guys. Pulled that right on out of there. No problem. So, this thing works. If you guys are thinking about grabbing one, I'd grab it. I'm going to go ahead, clean the rest of this up real quick. Get it all looking all nice and pretty again. I'll check back in with you guys in a minute. Alright, and there you have it. Nice and clean. No complaints from me. I mean, it's super clean. Looks nice and well. It's a lot of rock, which is unfortunate. I was hoping that there'd be maybe some more dirt under there, but it was just a lot of rock, fortunately. So if we ever actually wanted to do anything back here, plant something, we had to bring in a good amount of topsoil to make it, workable. But overall, not bad. Nice and level again. Looks good. Very, very happy with it. So, we'll keep it going. I'm going to put down some pre-emergent here so nothing kind of kicks up on me again. But nice and clean. Got a good amount of the rock out. But that rototiller, the Bilt tiller over here, man, it kicks. It works. I'm very happy to have it now. I've got to actually go do the other side of my yard. But that cleared all of that out. That is nice. So very, very happy with it. If you guys are looking to grab one, I'll go ahead and link it down below. There you guys have it. We did all that in an hour and a half, maybe, not even that long. So still wanted to get more stuff done. You have plenty of time to get it in. So yeah, there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. And as always, guys, go out and make it a great day, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.